everyone, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you these three super gorgeous and elegant hairstyles that you guys can practically wear for any occasion. I really loved how all three of them turned out and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's get started. And before I can start the hairstyles, I'm going to be prepping my hair by curling it, and I'm going to be using the BBLUNT Hot Shot Heat Protection Mist to protect my hair from the heat. So I'm just going to spray this generously all over my hair. I am going to slightly detangle it using a wide tooth comb just to make sure that all the product has spread evenly on my hair. I am also going to be using the BBLUNT Blown Away Volumizing Leave-In Spray only on my roots and especially on the top because that is where I want to create all of the volume. Make sure to massage it nicely on your roots and everywhere where you want volume. Then take a comb and then just gently comb your hair out. I am going to be using a dryer to blast dry my hair 100% because you cannot use any sort of heat on wet hair. And just to lift my roots, I'm going to take a flat paddle brush and lift the hair out from the roots, and this is going to enhance it even more and give it more volume on the top and on the crown area. And once your hair is 100% dry, that is when it's ready to curl. So I'm going to be dividing my hair into small medium-sized sections and I'm going to curl my hair moving outwards, and I'm going to be using a straightener for this. And if you can see, my straightener is moving outwards and that is how my curls are going to look as well. Just adding a little bit of curls or waves or a little bit of movement, especially on straight hair like mine, just helps it in giving it a really good base for any hairstyle. This is really not that tough once you get a hang of it. I have done a lot of videos wherein I teach you how to curl your hair with a straightener. I'm going to link it here and also in the description box. You guys can watch it. I'm just going to repeat the exact same thing on the other side and make sure that my curls are moving outwards as well. I'm gently just going to comb it out and that is how it looks. So for the first hairstyle, you need to remove a section like that, making a half moon. And now remove the exact same section on the other side. Now using that section, just take a couple of them and just back comb them at the roots. Now that is the section you're going to be using, so place that really well the way you like it. Keep twisting it at the back and make sure when you're twisting it, you're not making the hair look too flat on the top. And because the section was thick, I'm going to be using two tic-tac pins to secure it. So from the front, I'm going to divide that into two halves and take this section and slightly twist it towards the back. Make sure that you're not twisting it too hard because you want it to look really easy and loose, like a really nice voluminous twist moving towards the back. And simply repeat the same thing on the other side. I'm going to be adding this hair accessory and it really helps because it is also going to hide the two tic-tac pins that I used to secure it, and it is obviously going to glam up the entire hairstyle as well. So this is how it looks. I loved how it turned out. I think the twist, the puff and the curls just blended in so well and made the hairstyle look so voluminous and elegant. So for the second hairstyle, I'm going to be twisting sections on both the sides very easily, like you can see, and I'm going to take all the hair into a low ponytail. Now I'm just going to split that ponytail right in the center like this. I am going to be sticking two fingers in and I'm going to twist my ponytail inwards. Once I do that, I'm going to pull the hair through the opening like this. I'm going to flip it inwards once more. And with whatever little bit of hair that's left over, I'm going to flip it again inwards. I'm going to try and tuck all of the extra bits inside, and then I'm going to take a couple of U-pins and secure it well from all the sides. To finish off the hairstyle and add shine, I'm going to be using the BBLUNT Spotlight Hair Polish. I'm just going to spray this all over to give my elegant, sleek hairstyle a lot of shine. And guys, that is how it looks. I really liked how this turned out as well. This is going to be absolutely amazing to show off your neck and shoulders in case you're wearing a dress. Leave some hair out in the front to frame your face, and that is how it looks. Now for the third hairstyle, begin by taking a side parting like this. And on the other side, remove a 3-inch section. Split that into 3 sections. And now we'll be doing a Dutch braid wherein we'll be taking all the sections under the middle section. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of hair from the center of the head into the middle section and then taking the right and left section under the middle section. And that is how you do a Dutch braid. So if you can see, I am adding section from the center into the middle section, and all the other sections are also going under the middle section. Now once I'm done adding 4 to 5 sections like this, I'm just going to braid it normally, moving towards the back. I'm going to secure it behind with tic tac pins and cover it with some hair. I'm going to be adding the BBLUNT Spotlight hair polish, especially around the braid, just to give it a little bit of shine. And I'm also going to be using the BBLUNT One Night Stand temporary hair color in copper, just so that I can give you guys another option as to how you can style this hairstyle. And I'm going to be taking 1-inch sections like this, and I'm going to just braid from mid-lengths to ends. I basically wanted to just pick out random sections so that my hair looks highlighted with this color. The color really comes off easily from your fingers, so I didn't bother wearing hand gloves, but if you want to, please do so. And basically that is how the hairstyle looks. It's a side Dutch braid, and I've added a little bit of color to add a little bit of funk into the hairstyle. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of these 3 hairstyles. I really liked all 3 of them, but my favorite has to be the first one. Let me know which one was yours in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up. All product links will be in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye!